Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video series about Symfony 8. In this series, we won't just cover theory, we're going to build a real project together, a mini digital library application. The idea is simple. We'll create a clean and modern interface where users can browse books with their covers, read PDF files directly online, and we'll also build a powerful admin dashboard using EasyAdmin so we can manage the entire catalog easily in just a few clicks. Now let me show you the tools I'll be using for this project. First, I installed WAMP, which already includes Apache for the server, PHP, and MySQL for the database. You can download WAMP directly from the official website. If you already have WAMP installed but you're missing a recent PHP version like PHP 8.4 or 8.5, you can update it using the website aviatechno.net, which provides the required extensions. As you can see here, we have PHP 8.5.3 available. Next, I installed Composer, which is the dependency manager we'll use to install Symfony and its components. You should also install Symfony CLI, which will basically be our personal assistant during this project. It allows us to create the project, check if our system is properly configured, and run the local development server with a single command. To install Symfony CLI, just go to the Symfony documentation website. In the Setup and Installation section, you'll find instructions to install Symfony CLI on Windows, Linux, Mac, or Docker. For the code editor, I'll be using VS Code with a few helpful extensions. For this project, I recommend installing PHP Debug, PHP IntelliFence Twig extensions for better Twig support, SonarQube to improve code quality. Finally, we need to install Symfony 8. But before installing Symfony, I recommend running this command, Symfony check.requirements. This command checks if everything is properly configured for Symfony. Let me open the command prompt. First, I'll show you the PHP version installed on my machine, PHP 8.5.0. Now let's run Symfony check requirements. As you can see, the system confirms that everything is ready to run Symfony projects. And that's it for this introduction. Our development environment is now ready. In the next video, we'll move on to the real work, installing our Symfony 8 project and integrating our template. See you in the next video.